What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to place ramps and objects in Skate 4. First of all, we need to press right on our D-pad and then it will open this drop menu. From here you can just move your character by pressing R3 on your controller, and then you can take your character wherever you want to place anything. But I don't wanna move my character. For that I'll press the R3 key again, and then I can take this camera and put it wherever I want. And if you wanna lower or raise this camera, then use LT or RT or L2 or R2 on PlayStation, and then you can move it up or down like this. Now to add any object, press A on Xbox or cross on PlayStation, and then it will open this dropper. And from here you can pick any of the object. So let's say I wanna drop this ramp, then I can just select that. If you wanna switch the object, then press RB on Xbox or R1 on PlayStation, and then you can see the roll. Then we also have prop option here as well. So I want to drop a roll, then I need to press L1 or LB to go back and then pick the object. So let's say I wanna spawn this object, then I need to press A or cross to import that object on our city. And now in case you wanna lower it or raise it, then press LT, L2 or RT or R2, then you can move it up or down like so. If you wanna rotate it, then press LB or RB or L1 and R1 to rotate it like this. So I wanna place it here and I wanna rotate it like this. And now to fix it, we need to press A or cross, and then the object will be placed there. If you wanna zoom in or zoom out, then press up on your D-pad or down on your D-pad to zoom in or zoom out. If you wanna delete any of the object, then press Y or triangle. So I wanna place it here, then press A or cross like so, and then the object will be placed. If you wanna duplicate it, then press X on Xbox or square on PlayStation, and then the object will be duplicated. But I don't wanna have it, I wanna delete it. Press Y or triangle, and then the object will be deleted. So this is the entire process. You can see the object has been placed here, and then I can try my jumps here like so. So this is the process. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.